The taxi is not being nice to us, mom. Since see that? She's one of my bully friends.
She's not my friend.
Oh look. Hello, good morning from the land of Ismail. Today we are on our way going to Sriracha because tonight I'm gonna be flying back to Amman. And look at this. He doesn't want to sit and look at that. It's puppy. So we booked a boat this morning and look like the boat is not happy to accept us. I don't know what he's talking because he's talking in Thai. And then I tried to put blanket on the seats of the car, so that it will not upset him more. Look at Cotton. Look like he's having fun watching the view. So happy to see Grandma. They are so happy. They don't know how to express now. They keep hugging the legs of Mom. Now excited to go also. Hey, don't bark.
No, no bark.
Thank you. Look at Puppy. They get humping the legs of Mom. So we just arrived here in Sriracha, and then the taxi is not being nice to us. As I told you, it's not happy when he saw the dogs. And then when we get down, we just need to pay like 217. He asked us 400 baht. So I want to give comment, but I feel sad. Like, it's okay. Maybe he's just having a bad day. And this is Puppy. Since when we arrived, he keep hugging the legs of Mom. And look at this. Look. Gonna humping the legs of Mom. Since see that? Find this restaurant and cafe, the park. Let's check out what they got. Wow, it's look big. It's nice. Wow. The seat here, they said it's available here. And Mom is late for the buffet. They have buffet here also. I think they have also live band during the night in this restaurant. So let's go order and let's see what we're gonna find food for us. Thank you. And then the menu is like this. There are sets also of available like 5.89. And look, they have also these sets of food. If you want to order by
this is English for you.
It's okay. So they have English and Thai also. If look, they have this pasta and sushi, and they have also promotion that they are offering to us. Look at this. They have menu for salmon. They have also for pizza, and look, they have European cuisine and drinks, and they of course they have Thai. They have Thai appetizer, rice and noodles. See that? It's all Thai. Wow, a lot. So I go ahead and check out what we can eat in here. When me and Mom ride in the taxi today, we don't have enough change, and then the guy we should be paying like 74. I think Mom will give only like 60, and I have only 40 or 20 change, and Mom give it
62 baht.
yeah. Oh, puteng. There's a lot. We did not give tape, right? But he take it because he said he don't have change. The other taxi is not nice. Now this time he take it, so that's why I'm telling to Mom while we are sitting there, this taxi driver will get a lot today because he's sharing his blessing by being kind to other people. He's spreading the kindness. So hope you doing your day also with kindness, peace. This, it's so fancy also. The tissue is so fancy. Just like that, look. And of course, toothpick should be around. Like Madame Miley always have toothpick. It's a big place to come. So try to visit here. You come earlier so you can join the, what's this, buffet breakfast. And look at this, a lot. Park Restaurant Cafe. So nice. And look at the parking lot, it's too wide. And then the other side is the Pacific Park Hotel. So that's the view that we got here. We are late with Mom, so we did not got the buffet. So me and Mom sit here, or the cafe area. They have also, look, they have also drinks in here if you used to drink. And we are near to the mall. We have orange. And what's yours, Mom?
Tea.
Thai tea?
Thai tea.
Oh, you got Thai
But
tea.
I
Cold.
don't want milk. Give me something for
Ah,
I do without milk.
you got cold Thai tea. The appetizer just arrived. It's a spinach with cheese. So let's dig in. Mom ordered Hawaiian. So Robert, this is Hawaiian. So it means there's pineapple. And for sure it's yummy. What I got, it's salmon steak. And they give also extra sauce. Sauce. See it, Ma?
Sauce.
Sauce.
Yeah.
See it.
Sauce.
Sauce.
Close.
So all that food, it costs us like 965. But said if you be a member of this restaurant, they will show you how you will get 20% discount. So the food is good. How is the food, Mom?
Yeah.
How good? 5
Very
to 10.
good.
10 to
7.
5. Oh, see, give 7. So we are done already. Mom gave us, what's this? Number already. The name of the place is Pacific Park Restaurant and Cafe. And they have also, look, they have Pacific Park Residence. That's cool. And then look, here already the mall, oh. In front. You just walk a little bit and you can find it. Huh? Ah, they have hotel also, look. And in front there is fitness. Is that fitness, right? Yeah. And you have 7-Eleven already here, so it's nice to stay. Yeah. Here, oh, just go there and it's already the mall, right?
Yeah.
Done lunch already. Done saying bye to the puppies, and time to go back to the house again and pack up more things because tonight I need to go back to Jordan. We should be leaving like 7:30, but it is here already. It's already 6:50 at night, so I think we should go because he's already here. So we don't know the traffic, so I'm ready also now. So see you in Bangkok in a little bit. We are now in Bangkok. As you can see now the name of the airport of Bangkok. So exactly like 8:26 we arrived in the airport, and let's go inside and check where is the, what's this? The desk of Royal Jordanian. Let's go. to find out. Wow, it's so crowded. A lot. So let's go find out where is Royal Jordanian. So busy today. Found already the Royal Jordanian. So let's go. We finally done with the passport control, and now we need to go find our gate again. So our gate is E9. So it's here. So we found the gate E. Now we need to go find the number 9, E9. We are now in the very end. Still we did not find the E. I think in the very end. Yeah, it's still closed. So we have to wait. We found this restaurant a bit busy. That's why they did not notice me, but let's wait. Somebody gonna bring the menu and we will order food for us. So our order just arrived and we have pork and this because I'm hungry. So let's wait for the watermelon. Pay for 585. The name of the place is Mbili. I get lucky today because look at this line. Never finish until there. So I'm like maybe number 5 who'll do the line today, and we just waiting the door. The gate gonna open and we will go in the plane already. So we have chicken. They asked us what we got. They asked if you want chicken or shrimp. So we give chicken. So real Robert. And then we have bread and the dessert and the salad. And they give us also Italian dressing. That's it. Madam, she slept very good. We don't have anybody in the middle, so we are freely to move. So we have the second meal that they give. We have already the fruits, bread, and what's that? Butter, cheese, water. See? It's gonna be landing and we are already landed. It's I think 10 minutes before 6. Our wheels down. So we are done with the passport control, and now we need to go find our luggage if it's already here. My beloved bag is coming. It's coming. Coming. My bag is coming. Here we go. Ready to go. Let's go meet Bildadrell, Joel, and Queenie. They say they are already in Starbucks. Look at the people who gonna pick me up. They just sit down there. They don't come and give me a hug. Hi. Thank you. We need to eat Starbucks because it's too early in threats of.
Don't support Starbucks, but it's the only thing in the airport and we're hungry.
Let's go check what we're gonna get. Oh look, they have still sugar. Okay. Here in Starbucks is still because the restaurant are closed. And look at this.
6:30.
They'll buy this, right? And then they is scared to write my name in English because they put it.
Well, look how decorative it is. It has
So
butterflies.
I don't know if butterfly.
They put it Arabic, they write it Arabic.
Yeah, because they put.
calligraphy.
And look at Bill. He buy gift Starbucks so early, and he said he don't support Starbucks, right? But look what he got.
There's also
Starbucks. Thank
There's
you.
Starbucks over there?
there's I don't know what it is.
So we just out in the airport and see. Madam, welcome to Jordan. And look at this. But we are already away and he's gone already in the counter. They trick me. Starbucks says that the Spanish macchiato is yum. But it's still more yummy my macchiato caramel. We are way to Amman now, and in this afternoon we will join the church service. Good afternoon from Amman, Jordan. Now I'm charged a little bit because after the long flight I sleep a little bit. Now we are going to join the church service here. It's the first Sunday that we will join them. So see you in a little bit. Yan ang mga kabayans. So let's go inside. Kung makahag sila, oh, ayan. Ayan, they just finished their practice. These are the tambourine dancers.
Welcome to Jordan Valley! Ang itim-itim mo ba? Bakit ka umitim? Ano nangyari sa ilong mo? Dito, ito. Bakit ano? Ay, sunglass? Bakit may pikas ka? May pikas ka!
Look at this.
Kalil, may pikas si Pati. Oh. May pikas. Bakit ka nag-live?
Bakit ba?
Bakit nag-live ka?
So we will show that
Tignan mo, may
ate.
pikas si Pati. Hi! May pati siya.
This ate is P that she's bullying me.
Not bullying.
Because of my skin get dark. She said, "Oh, you're so dark. You stay in the beach for a long time." Like this. She keep. She said, "Why you have this?"
That is what we express, how we miss her here in Jordan.
What's that? What's
We
the
are
English?
expressing
See the
Pekas.
English. It's not Pekas.
Ano pala? Acne.
No.
Ano pala?
Black spots.
Black spots? Eh, hindi nga black spot, spread spots. Because it's spread over
It's
spreading
it's
on
bullying
the...
this look up. It get black the like mustache now. And then I have here.
You see?
And then here.
Because only now we see her.
Because my face there's no acne.
Only now.
Anong
Sa Friday magsimba. Kailan ka aalis?
Say it in English.
Ano pang English? When do you leave? Why you come back in Jordan?
Tapos, the other question.
When do you leave?
Oh, see, it's still the same question, right? Ate, ang ingay mo.
How long you stay here? Huh? How long you stay here?
Your voice is high volume.
Expressing.
They really miss me. Now we're done with our church service, so we're gonna walk and
Go to the Duartani.
we're gonna go in second circle, and here is the madam.
And this is Jen Pati. Our friend from Thailand. Galing Thailand. Look up. Ayan, ito. Pabalikin mo.
This now I'm alone with my bully friends. She's one of my bully friends.
She's not my friend.
Oh, look.
Ano pala? She's not my friend. Ano pala?
Look, she's denying.
Hindi pala kayo friend?
Oh, these are the bully
Alam nyo
friends.
na guys, hindi pala sila friend. Hindi kayo friend?
Yes, we are already break up because she bully me. See my skin?
Ito, walang sakay.
Because of my skin. She's doing laces. This is my racist friend, okay?
She's not my friend.
Because She's white comparing to my color. So she cannot move on that my color is black now.
I
Okay.
told you she's not my friend.
I need an explanation.
Only sister.
I need an explanation.
Sister.
Oh, okay. She break up with me.
Not
as a
biological sister,
friend. Oh. What
but
is-
only spiritual sister.
Daw?
Not a biological.
Ayusin mo, te. Ang dami mong explain kanina. Ngayon, wala na ka nang explain. Nasa camera.
Ay, nasa camera na?
Oh.
Bakit ano pala yung kanina?
Walang camera man kanina.
Sinayang mo.
Sinayang mo
Bunganga
ang
ko.
So, wala ka nang masabi, te. Patayin ko na. We have to end the video here and see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Where are you, madam?